competitive manufacturing landscape, efficiency and agility are paramount. Staying ahead requires precise planning, streamlined operations, and a deep understanding of your production processes. CUSCEN ERP empowers manufacturers to optimize production planning, streamline production schedules, minimize downtime, and maximize resource utilization. Gain real-time visibility. Track production progress, monitor inventory levels, and identify potential bottlenecks. Enhance quality control. Implement robust quality control measures, reduce defects, and improve product consistency. Improve collaboration. Foster better communication and collaboration between departments, from design to production and delivery. Drive innovation. Leverage data-driven insights to improve production processes, reduce costs, and enhance competitiveness. Production scheduling. Visualize production schedules, track progress, and identify potential delays. Inventory management. Manage raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods effectively. Quality control. Track and analyze quality data, identify trends, and implement corrective actions. Business intelligence. Gain valuable insights into production performance, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions. Integration capabilities. Seamlessly integrate with other manufacturing systems, such as MES and PLM. CUSCEN ERP helps manufacturers reduce production costs, minimize waste, optimize resource utilization, and improve overall efficiency. Improve product quality. Enhance quality control processes, reduce defects, and meet stringent industry standards. Increase customer satisfaction. Deliver products on time and meet customer expectations with greater consistency. Gain a competitive edge. Make faster, more informed decisions and adapt quickly to changing market demands. Ready to unlock the full potential of your manufacturing operations?